Nadi Palm Leaves, also known as Nadi Astrology, is a great miracle of the world. In ancient times, in Shivaloka, the supreme organizing authority Sarvadhikari and supreme preceptor Paramguru, Lord Shiva informed Parvathi Devi about several people taking birth during this period. Great sages like Agastya, Vishvamitra, Vasishta, etc., had seen in meditation from earth and wrote it clearly in Sanskrit language on palm leaves according to the Lord's command. Later, Thanjavur King Sharabhoji II, with the help of scholars, translated the original Sanskrit palm leaves to Aadi Tamil language and named as Nadi Palm Leaves and Nadi Astrology. Thereafter, destroyed the original Sanskrit palm leaves. Afterwards, though the Britishers acquired its possession and they sold it to some families, now these are available as Nadi Palm Leaves, stored at Vaitheeswaran Koil in Tamil Nadu, India. The divine words of Lord Shiva, ShivaDeva, exist as historical evidences to prove that the phenomena of universe are not incidentally happening but by pre-planned execution. From Shivaloka, Lord Shiva reveals to this planet Earth with advanced technological progression through ancient Nadi palm leaves about the science of journey of soul through birth and rebirth without considering it as spirituality, religion and any other beliefs.
அவதாரம் ஆளவனின் அருளினாலே அற்புதங்கள் நிகழ்த்தவே விவேகானந்தன். அதுக்கப்புறமா மகாவிஷ்ணுடைய அனுகிரகத்தாலையும் ஆசீர்வாதத்தாலையும் விவேகானந்தர் அவதாரம் ஐயா எடுத்திருக்காங்க. விவேகானந்தா.
After his birth as Sri Rama and Sri Krishna, he has taken another avatar as Sri Vivekananda. And in that birth, he has done very good deeds. He has established the Hindu religion through this world. He has established the
திவ்யமாய் பல சேவை ஞானம் சிந்தை. விவேகானந்த அவதாரம் எடுத்து ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஞான மார்க்கம் பல சேவைகள் நிறைய செஞ்சிருக்காங்க.
And he has done also much service to the people, to many organizations installed by him.
திருப்பணிகள் பல செய்து இருக்கும் காலமதில் நான் அடைத்தேன் அதனின் பின்னே. நிறைய திருப்பணிகள்லாம் செஞ்சிருக்காங்க.
He has done much service to temples and to the religion of Hindu.
அப்புறம் அந்த சேவைகள் செய்யக்கூடிய காலத்தில் முழுமையாக அதை செய்யலை, இடையிலே கூட்டு விட்டார்.
But he was not able to complete those services because he was called away soon by the Lord.
அடுத்த இன்னொரு ஜென்மம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு தான் உடைய கூப்பிட்டாங்க.
And he was called away because Lord wanted to give him another Janma to do more service to the people.
கல்கி எனும் அவதாரம் இது காலத்தில். விவேகானந்தர் முடிஞ்சு இப்போ கல்கி என்ற அவதாரத்தில் பிறந்திருக்காங்க.
After the avatar of Vivekananda, he is now born as Kalki in this new avatar.
Official action to prevent Nadi palm leaves as a business. Those who blessed by their Nadi palm leaves, it is their right to read freely. Government must take action to provide sufficient salary to eligible Nadi readers, those who studied Aadi Tamil language deeply. But government should not undertake Nadi palm leaves. Government should honor and provide security with financial support to the present holders, owners of the Nadi palm leaves. About ancient Nadi palm leaves. Original photos of Agastya Maharshi, Vishvamitra Maharshi, Vasishta Maharshi, etc. are not available here now. In ancient times, in Shivaloka, Lord Shiva informed Parvathi Devi about several people living nowadays. At that time, on earth, the saints like Agastya, Kaushika alias Vishvamitra, Vasishta, etc. had seen in their meditation and wrote it clearly in Sanskrit language according to the Lord's command. Later, Thanjavur King Sharabhoji II, with the help of scholars, translated it to Aadi Tamil language and named as Nadi Palm Leaves and Nadi Astrology. Sharabhoji II and his associates did many inappropriate additions and changed it to common astrological manner. They also added traditional practices like mantra, tantra for solutions by misintention, and thus the sacred and pious commands of Lord Shiva were made to be misunderstood in an absurd manner with their business motive. Also, they destroyed original Sanskrit palm leaves to avoid verifying the false details added by them. Thanjavur King Sharabhoji II and his associates classified Parvathi Parameshwar divine conversations to various chapters like Mahashivanadi Tulyam, Sukshmam, Sukshmal Sukshmam, Jnana Ashi, Paduvin Save Kandam, etc. And also they created special palm leaves in the name of Saints Agastya, Kaushika alias Vishvamitra, Vasishta, etc. Thereafter, though the Britishers acquired possession of these Nadi palm leaves, they sold it to some families. Now only these Nadi palm leaves are available. Nadi palm leaves are stored at Vaitheeswaran Koil in Tamil Nadu. The word Nadi in Tamil means get in proper time, search and come thyself in proper time. One chapter consists of several stanzas. Each Aadi Tamil stanza has 4 lines with 3 words in a line. The third word of the fourth line of a stanza is taken as the first word of the first line of next stanza in accordance to the situation. Aadi Tamil language is very tough, short, but has deep meanings. The details of several people are included in a bundle of Nadi palm leaves. There are many such bundles. Numbers are commonly used in words. For example, Vedam means 4. Nadi readers' way of reading out the details like date of birth, name, star, planetary position, parent's name, age while reading the palm leaves, etc. After examining the palm leaf bundles with the given thumb impression only is quite remarkable.
விரோதிக்கிறது தேலின் திங்கள் விளம்பிடவே இருபானின் சேயின் வாரம். ஐயா பிறந்த வருடம், மாதம், கிழமை இந்த விவரத்தை சொல்றாங்க. முதல்ல விரோதிக்கிறது வருஷத்துல ஐயா பிறந்திருக்காங்க.
The date of birth details of this son are first mentioned by Shiva. He is born in the Tamil year விரோதிக்கிறது வருஷம். தேலின் திங்கள் கார்த்திகை மாதம். During the month of Kartigai.
தமிழ் தேதி 28ஆம் தேதி.
And the Tamil date is corresponding Tamil date is 28.
செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை.
On a Tuesday.
இப்ப இதற்கு ஆங்கிலத்துல 14/12/1971.
The corresponding English date of birth will be 14th December 1971.
சரி. வாரமதில் சுவாதி மீன் முடி கவி வில்லு. சுவாதி நட்சத்திரத்துல பிறந்திருக்காங்க.
The ruling star on the date of his birth will be Swati.
முடி கவி வில்லு. லக்னம் தனுசு லக்னம்னு இருக்கு.
His lagna is Sagittarius, that is Dhanush.
அந்த லக்னத்துக்குள்ள சுக்கிரன் இருக்காரு.
Shukra is occupying that lagna.
Left thumb impression is for ladies and right for gents to get Nadi palm leaves. The details of several people born in the present period are clearly documented in the Nadi palm leaves written by saints. Hindus are classified according to the caste Munkulam or Brahmin, Munkulatil Pinkulam or Kulamum Pinmel is Nayar, or the caste below the upper caste Brahmin. Christians as Yeshuvargam, Muslims as Nabhivargam, these are clearly written in the Nadi palm leaves. Lord Shiva informed about the castes and religions for the clarification of the present social state, but not to approve castes and religions. Thousands of years ago, Lord Shiva had correctly informed the social life and custom of the people living in the present new age with the name of castes and religions for the clarification and clear evidences. In the Mahashivanadi Divine Secrets chapter Sukshmal Sukshma Kandam, Lord Shiva informed Parvathi Devi about Kalki as Shadimadam Kadandathan Yaham Endru Vilangidume Karunayale, which means Kalki exists in oneness beyond caste and religion by our blessings. By this, Lord Shiva declared to the world that castes and religions are not to be approved. For that purpose, Lord Shiva revealed the existing inappropriate and worst living condition of the society. It has been noticed that this is an important matter for the transformation by the official execution of the 10th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. We want humanity and welfare nation, not caste and religion. Our special thanks to A. Shivasamy, son of Arul Shiva Arumugham, and all Nadi readers for preserving the Nadi Palm Leaves. Not to disgrace is the real graceness. Ninnikkadirikkal yathartha vannikkal. Original latest photos in the light form Prakasha Swarupa, not made of 5 elements, of the Supreme Genetic Authority Lord Brahma, the Supreme Organizing Authority and the Supreme Preceptor Lord Shiva, the Supreme Protection Authority Lord Vishnu for Genetic Organize Protect GOP. Existing in Jyotirmandal, most important luminary Brahmaloka, Shivaloka and Vishnuloka are not available here now.